All right, hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be doing a little 8K video test with the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, this is going to be a totally raw, unedited video, no cuts, anything like that. First of all, I don't have a video editor that can edit 8K video, which is why this is just going to be a totally raw, unedited video uploaded straight to YouTube right after I am done recording. Now, you can only record in 8K 24 frames per second on the rear-facing camera. You cannot do this on the front-facing camera. So I'm not even sure if I'm in frame because I know it does crop in quite a bit. So I kind of had to stand a bit further away from the phone than I usually do. Not really sure if I'm in frame or not. I guess I'll have to find out until the end. Now, I currently have it on a small handheld tripod, so we can test out stabilization. It's probably so zoomed in on my face right now. Let me kind of fix this setup real quick. Maybe I can use a small handheld tripod to kind of help me take the phone out a little bit further. How's that? I don't know. Let me know what you think so far down in the comment sections below. I'm just using this to record myself talking to you guys. Like I said, totally raw, totally unedited. We can just kind of walk to check out stabilization. Did I lose my mask? I think I just lost my mask. Oh, here it is. All right, so we currently have a lot of people at the park right now, so I kind of came out here towards the back. We had a guy coming up on a bike right now. Let me throw on my mask right here before he comes up to me. We'll go ahead and throw this on. There we go. All right, got the mask on. Gotta try to stay as safe as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. We'll go ahead and test out stabilization, all that good stuff. Here we go. Just going to do a nice steady walk here. I'll try not to blabber too much. Just give you guys a little test of what 8K video recording is like on this device, again at 24 frames per second. Now, I want to check and see if we can zoom in at 8K. I haven't tried it yet, to be honest. Okay, it looks like we can zoom in all the way to 6 times. Now, quality does not look like it's the best, of course, but there it is at 6 times zoom, and that's the most you are able to zoom in. So let me continue walking. Get some of the trees here. Now, before we get to the green area, let's go ahead and see what it's going to look like over here in more of a sandy area. Got a lot of shade going on. And you know what? Why not? Let's do a little jog so we can check out stabilization. So doing a nice steady jog here. Jog a little bit faster. There we are. Let's film more of the green area over here with all the grass, beautiful trees. It's an absolutely beautiful day we're having today. Check out some of the trees. Sun directly at the lens. There we go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and walk down this way, see if we can get some water in the video, see what that looks like. We got little tiny waterfalls over here, which I'm sure you guys have seen in previous videos. Got some people looking at me like I'm crazy, like what the heck am I doing? It's all good. It's all for you guys. Little 8K video test. Like I said, the park is packed today, so I want to try to keep my distance as best as possible. Get a shot of this lamp here. So the phone is telling me to avoid overheating. Don't record more than 5 minutes of 8K video. We're about coming up on 5 minutes. Let me go up to the water here before it possibly turns off on me for overheating. Hopefully it doesn't. There we are, got a little waterfall going on right there. Beautiful view. Now the phone itself doesn't feel like it's overheating, so I think we're good for now. We're over 5 minutes of video so far. Got that duck taking a nap over there. I think he's awake now. Let's go and walk back this way. Some of these trees that have lost all of their leaves. See what happens if I try to get a close-up on a tree here. See how well it stays in focus. Look at that. Show these trees one more time. All right. Let's go and walk back this way. That way people aren't looking at me like I'm crazy. I'm gonna turn the camera around. All right, well, there it is. A little 8K video recording with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Like I said, totally raw, unedited video, going to be uploaded straight to YouTube. Now, I personally do not have an 8K monitor, so I really don't know how this is going to look. I can watch it on my 4K monitor, and I'm sure it'll look good on there. But if you have an 8K monitor at home and you happen to be watching this video, let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. I might have to sneak over to Best Buy or something and try to watch this video on one of their monitors just to see what it's gonna look like. But I'm sure it's gonna look good in 4K as well. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. If you did like this video and possibly find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Really curious to see what this is going to look like. I'm sure, you know, most people aren't going to be recording at 8K. I mean, it just eats up so much memory within the device, which is why I'm kind of bummed out that Samsung didn't keep that expandable storage option to be able to put an SD card in this device. But, you know, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.